It's a new day and a new season over on Nodepay. As we see here, season 4 start now. Make sure to leave a like on this video if you enjoy it. Thank you very much for being here. So season 4 starts now. We were able to go and see over here, which by the way, if you still haven't joined Nodepay, you can do it. The link will be down below. Free to earn airdrop. We had the first airdrop, which was not the best, and now we're gonna have the season 3 airdrop, I believe, together with the season 4. And as you see here, I'm doing about 27,000 points per day. You can go and check it for yourself also down below. If you go and see it right here, we got the different point stats. I got some days 76,000, 60,000, 27,000. So doing quite well. We got the missions, of course. You have the possibility to earn over on the overall missions. You got 22 missions, so make sure to go and complete those one. We got the medal and boost and the earning statistic as we see over here. Which, by the way, let me know how much you did earn in this season 3 if you're watching this video later. I believe I was about 8 million points, which is 4 times as much the other. So let's see how this airdrop becomes. Next up, we have a little update over on GRVT. As we see here, epoch 3 have started, so all your points have been reset to 0. And let me know your budget. So I got for 2 for the ecosystem, but I've got 2 legend tier 2 budget as we see over here. And when it comes to the trader badge, I got a tier 7, both for epoch 1 and for epoch 2. And I do not have a, liquidity provider position. So let me know yours down below. Now, we know that the epoch 3, 4, 5, and going forward, which the airdrop will come, I believe, in March or April. It is going to be a week long only. It's not going to be 2 weeks. It's not going to be 3 weeks. It's not going to be a month. It's going to be a week long only. You still have the possibility to go and join if you wish. The link will be down below. And all you gotta do to go and earn this airdrop, just like Hyperliquid, just like the other one, it is a trading. So the more you trade, the more fees you generate. The more fees you generate, the more airdrop allocation you will receive. Next up, we have the mint airdrop. As we see here, we can go and check our allocation. So we got 120 million tokens have been distributed, which is 10% of the total supply is claimable for eligible users at TGE. And 2% of the total supply will be airdropped to Mint Force V3 in 2026. So we got 10%, which means that about a billion token will be, the fully diluted value. And we got a few possibilities. We got the Mint ID, which was right here. We got the Mint Forest, so the total Mint token that you did have in your tree. And then you have the Mint Expedition. The link will be down below for you to go and check it. And as we see over here, I got 912 Mint. Price-wise, what are we looking? I think the token, it is going to be around, it is another L2 at the end of the day. I think within the cent, it's not going to go up to $1 for sure. Otherwise, it will launch potentially at about $1 billion fully diluted value. Tell me if I'm wrong, but I do see it between the 10 and the, I would say actually 20 to 30 cents if I'm being, optimistic. 20 to 30 cents. So my airdrop will be about $200 to $300 in my opinion. But let me know your thoughts down below. And of course, let me know your total mint token allocation. As of right now, you cannot claim it. So please do not click any links outside. Do not click anything on Twitter. Make sure to simply check it out. You can share it if you want. You can download this photo. You can share it on X. Do as you wish, but there is no claiming yet. I will take you the video. As of right now, it is only an airdrop allocation, just like the title said. Next up, we move over to the LayerEdge OG Pledge Pass is coming today. So make sure to listen closely and be ready for it. As you see over here, today, after the release of this video, which I will take you in tomorrow's as well, you will be able to go and mint the OG Pass over on the LayerEdge airdrop, which is the one right here. So we are doing it. We are claiming the node. As we see, we got the node leaderboards, we got the light speed, the light node, etc. You can click over here to start over on the airdrop. Simply pass the verification. And as we see over here, we got it's gonna cost 2 Ethereum on base ecosystem. So make sure to have $5 on the Ethereum ecosystem. OG Pledge Pass holders will receive 3x boost on node points and percentage of the Edge airdrop. So link will be down below. Make sure to go and participate. There's a lot of people that have, the possibility of way more points than me. Of course, don't expect anything. I do participate in this airdrop. I just didn't do it extremely well or in such a long way. I've got 5-day streak. People have millions and millions of points, but you're still in time to participate if you wish. Then you can go to the task, which is the new one, as we see over here, coming soon in 1 hour of this video. mint the OG pledge pass, mint a pledge pass which gives you boost and points, and also submit a proof. Earn points for trying out leverage verification layer testnet by submitting a ZK proof through our proof submission interface. You can click do it. This one you can already do it. You can simply, get some points, earn, by submitting this one, which it is simply, as we've seen, a, possibility of approving a transaction in your wallet. We then have over here the proof, the submit proof. Enter your proof details here of max 280 characters, which I don't know, we can say my name is Lorenzo and I am a real user, something like that. Send proof, submitting a proof for LayerEdge, just, kind of whatever it is. Then you got the next proof settlement in 10 minutes. Protocols, contribution of a lifetime, you verified, etc. All of this, we got the referrals in case you wish to participate. Acknowledge the notification. If you wish, the link will be down below, of course, which we do see here. You can share with your friends. You can copy it and share it with your friends or share it on X, and then you got different tiers if you wish to participate and support me. Thank you very much. If you're not part of this yet, make sure to be part of it right now, as it is coming very soon. And here we got the minting possibility, which is very new. And as you see from the dashboard, you start collecting the nodes on a very, very simple basic. Following up, we got the Owlto Finance, which I will leave you the link down below. But the OG, the OG badge on Sonium has been given out, yet we're still needing to receive the Owlto airdrop. So there is still time to farm it. They got new points, bridge to Sonium, bridge from Sonium to Ethereum, and from Ethereum you have the possibility. Another thing which is really nice is the possibility to go and deploy contract over on Owlto. So the link will be down below for you to go and do the bridging. You can swap as well. And as we see over here, you can deploy contracts. So for example, on the Monad testnet, if you want to do interaction, if you want to do some sort of interaction with the wallet, push transaction out, you can do the smart contract. And you can do this, as you see, in many, many different chains, including Sonium one as well as the testnet. Next up, we have the Eclipse airdrop is coming very, very soon. So this is a new mission of the Eclipse Foundation, which teamed up with ByBit, which we know potentially is gonna then be the ecosystem, the exchange that is gonna launch the token first. And as we see over here, you can go and calculate, you can go and earn grass token, which is kind of like what the grass situation is happening with the tap token, with the tap web page. You can go and earn grass passively, which then is going to be distributed to an airdrop. So there is going to be this one as well, and I will leave the link down below if I find it. But this is something, as we see here, you can go and join through the page. I will leave you a link down below. But this means that the Eclipse airdrop is coming soon, which is something really, really nice. On Eclipse, one great protocol which I do like a lot is Invariant, and I want to clarify a few things here. So we got different possibility of pools. There is not only the Ethereum or the TETH, which I show on my previous video. We got the Ethereum USDC, TETH ETH, Solana Ethereum, USDC to USDT as well. You have the possibility for a stablecoin. So all of these pools, which there are many, there's 24 pages of possibility. They all give you APY, they all give you fees, etc. However, the popular pools are the one over here that you see on the top. And I would recommend you to stick only with the one that you see here on the first page. But if you do have only stablecoins, you can also do that. They will give you less APR, which means less possibility. They still give you more than the Ethereum to ETH. But you can go and do here, for example, you can go and lock liquidity, or open an explorer, or add position, which it is this one right here. And this is one of the position. Now, as we see here, everything gives you different amount of points. I am generating points, but the possibility of the pools are endless. I personally go with this one right here, simply because they are, we see here, the USDC to USDT, which is another one. You can click over on deposit, pick the percentage that you want, and then generate the possibility of the point as well as the revenue. And this is a pretty stable one in terms that if you go and put 10,000, for example, USDC and 10,000 USDT, you can go and generate it. But I go and stick, as we see over here, for example, I've got my Ethereum to TETH, and this is the one that I stick to. But I just wanted to clarify that there is not only the TETH to Ethereum that I have, there's all different one. But you gotta evaluate for yourself which one you wanna do in base of 24 hours volume, in terms of TVL, in terms of the fees and the APR and the API that you will receive, which are two different things. Annual per year return is the APR, which is the first number over here, and annual per year yield, which is the one that you see over here. So make sure to go and do your, your selection. You have many different ones. I stick with Ethereum.TETH, which it is the one right here. And now you can go and check your portfolio. They have updated this. We've seen it already in another video, which is really, really cool. Another important thing about Invariant though is that you can go and have more than one pool at a time, of course, but I've only shown one pool at a time. So you can go and open any of this one that you want, whether it is Solana to Ethereum, USDC, and also you can have two of the same one in case you have more funds coming in later. For example, I have the T to Ethereum already open. Well, I want to go and open another one as I do have 0.2 Ethereum. And I can go and do this right here. I can go and do this on the T.ETH. And all I gotta do is simply go and convert what I need in terms that if I do need, for example, 50% of this one, which as of right now, it is at the very minimum, but you can go and have it. So let's go and open it. And for example, go to the exchange. We go and exchange, I would say 0.06 of Ethereum to TETH. You go and exchanges, unlock the wallet with your password, and then it automatically goes and says you want to convert this to this. Click on approve, and now you have your funds over on Ethereum and on the TETH. Then simply go to the liquidity provider, deposit over here the liquidity, and as you see here, we go all the way up. You click over to max, which you gotta pick and choose which one you want, because there are a different variety of things. But as we see here, why am I putting so much Ethereum and not so much TETH? Because this yellow line, it is at the very limit. So either I wait a little bit or I keep on going. But I'm basically putting $289 of Ethereum and only 31 cents of TETH. And we can see this one over here on my wallet. As of right now, I have the Ethereum.TETH, which is generating these RFEs, and it is very well over on the medium. This is the TETH to Ethereum. So all you gotta do, go and check out a little bit how you want to play it, which liquidity you want to put your money in, whether it is the TETH to Ethereum all the way to the max. You can also exchange it. As you see here, the yellow line goes to the other side, but you can go and do this. So if we gotta go back and simply exchange everything of this one, which it is kind of doable, we can go and leave, I would say, let's go and leave, I'll go and leave, let's say, this amount of money. Click over to exchange, I get the Ethereum, and then I can go and open a fully loaded out position once again by going to provide liquidity. We've seen it before. We've seen how the yellow line was doing. So click over on max. This is how much is gonna add position, accept the adding position. And as we see over here, the position has been added. I get 2,000 extra points. But if we go to our portfolio, you can see that you have two positions open at the same time, which is great because you have 1, 2, you can have 3, 4, 5, 6, you can have way more than only one, which I only showed one. So I wanted to clarify that you can have two different positions on this one. And this is a protocol that I utilize to go and earn my Eclipse airdrop for the most. Yes, you can tap on the screen, you have the possibility to tap, but if you want to grow passive grass like as we see here, I do use Invariant for the most part, as I do like it, and I also collect fees by the Ethereum that I do have over there. So with that said, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know what you think down in the comments below, and I will see you all tomorrow. Ciao, guys.